You know, every time I come here, I'm reminded of how beautiful it is, and I wonder to myself, let's turn the car off, I wonder to myself, why don't I move to Wales? Look how beautiful it is. But every time I come, also, it rains. And today is no different. Rain all over the car, and all the rocks are wet. But I suppose it gives us an opportunity to see how the truck's doing the wet. Today I have got with me the CR18 Pro, and in the boot there we have Elly the Element. We're going to be crawling out here, guys. This is about 2.5 miles, 3 miles from Glanaman in South Wales, and this is going to be one of my trekking videos. You'll see other bits of these videos pulled out for the Enduro Ecto first thoughts. I'm not really doing a review because everybody's reviewed this truck, right? But as you can see around me, it's just got everything you need. It's got mud, it's got water, it's got little streams and brooks, it's got rocks, walls, sheep, everything you need.
There's a feeling I've been feeling, I felt it for a little while. Last night while you were sleeping, I mapped it all out in my mind. We're gonna load the car come sunrise and head south through Alabama. I could almost smell the ocean, feel the sea breeze and the sand. 38 lives waiting in the distance, and Florida's 8 hours at the most. I gotta drive the everyday out of my system and take a little time off on the coast. Watch the moonlight dancing on the tide. Don't you think that that would be alright? We'll take a cooler and some long necks, make a fire on the beach. Down there the stars are so much closer, back home they feel so out of reach. I know we got it good, I just need a couple days. A change of scene, a change of weather, feel you beside me all the way. 38 lives waiting in the distance, Florida's 8 hours at the most. Gotta drive the everyday out of my system and take a little time off on the coast. And watch the moonlight dancing on the tide. Don't you think that that would be alright? Don't you think that that would be alright? It'd be alright to get a different view. I'm good to go, baby, how about you? 38 lives waiting in the distance, Florida's 8 hours at the most. Gotta drive the everyday out of my system and take a little time off on the coast. Watch the moonlight dancing on the tide. Don't you think that that would be alright? Don't you think that that would be alright? We're gonna load the car come sunrise and head south through Alabama. I could almost smell the ocean, feel the sea breeze in the sand. 38 hours waiting in the distance.
It looks like you might need to come out towards me. Hard towards me for a little set. And then
I gotta drive the everyday out of my system and take a little time off on the coast. Watch the moonlight dancing on the tide. Don't you think that that would be alright? We'll take a cooler and some long necks, make a fire on the beach. Down there the stars are so much closer back home.
last thoughts really, get a servo. I know a lot of you are going to whack me about comp pins because they're not scale and whatever, but
does it matter?
They really work.
Are we competing?
But like these wheels and tyre combo, 55 quid. Silicon inserts, comp pins, and four alloy beadlocks. 55 quid.
Next time,
Yeah,
we'll do a little test. We'll bring these two,
yeah.
and we'll swap tyres.
Swap tyre. Oh man, it'd be lovely to see this on trenches.
What that does with the trenches and the heavier wheels.
Yeah, that'd be interesting to see. We definitely need to see this with some more weight on it. I'm going to put a better servo in it, and I've got a brushless setup. I've got a Fusion Pro sitting in the box at home, and I've also got a 1200 I could drop in this as well, SC. So next time out you'll see some of that stuff properly. But final thoughts, guys, get yourself a decent set of wheels and tyres if you want to do like proper crawly stuff with it. Like not comp crawly, but like, you know, fun out with your mates having a crawl stuff. Get a decent set of tyres and inserts. Put a DS32 35 servo in it, don't go mad, that'll do ya. Rory's just pulling a line with his mauler, with his Texan behind me, look. Sorry I keep getting distracted, but like this is the best RTR that I've tried, but obviously it comes with all the throwaway parts. He was going so well, sorry, Rory's having a one behind me. Right, so Element Ecto. Do you know, I wanted to say horrible stuff about the ESC and the motor as well, but I've definitely driven worse. I mean, I don't like the whole throwaway waste stuff. I don't like the fact that that motor probably will sit in a bin or end up in a garden ornament. The ESC is going to go the same way. The servo's going to go the same way. Like, build a toy robot for your kids, but don't expect it to last forever is what I'm going to say about that. But if you don't mind, Element, sell us this as a roller. Don't give us an ESC. Don't give us, I know everybody's going to say, oh, you can buy the kit. I know. But just sell us a roller. For those people that don't want to build it, sell us a roller without the ESC, without the servo, and don't even bother giving us the wheels. Maybe make that a tick box option. So we can put our own wheels and everything on it. And I know, buy the kit, yeah, I'll get it. Anyway, I'm just rambling at this point, guys. I actually am gobsmacked. You guys out there that were saying, get an Ecto, it's the best RTR. I mean, so far, this has surprised me more than any other truck I've ever driven in stock. And then with just these comp pins, it blew me away. And it's eaten the 625-pound modded out Gladius that I've got. It's eaten a lot of the things that it was doing, yeah. So that's it for this one, guys. Links to everything in the description below. Don't forget, I'm not shilling for companies. If this was crap, I would tell you it was crap. It's not, it's really good. But that comes at a cost. Yeah, because I'm telling you it's crap if it's crap, a lot of people aren't sending me their crap for free like all the other guys are, right? So help us out. There's links to PayPal, there's links where you can buy me a coffee, there's links for the raffle where you can also help the channel out and stand a chance to win awesome stuff. So that's it. I ain't got anything else. Thank you, Rui. Check out Rui's channel as well. He's got a ton of stuff on the Texan, the Mauler, the associated MT10. You've got an FTX Outlaw
and the Mad Van.
And a Mad Van as well. And he's got a ton of content on that. He's got some spannering videos and all that stuff. So
I'm a spanner.
see you in the next one. Listen, I appreciate you. I really appreciate you. And remember, no matter the question, love is always the answer. Bye for now.